Dear all, welcome and thank you for tuning in to my channel. I'm Dr. Luay Al-Zobi. Welcome to AI Literacy for All, your go-to channel for learning about AI tools, applications, and technologies in a very simple and accessible way. Um, no coding or experiences are required or needed in this channel to for you to understand what we're going to be talking about. Our mission is to make artificial intelligence easy to understand and integrate it into your daily life activities. If it's work, um, you know, socializing, whatever, whether you are a student or a professional or simply curious about AI, we provide practical step-by-step guides on AI tools and applications. That what we're going to be focusing on in this channel, that anyone can use, regardless of background or training or actually age. So we hope that you join us in this channel. Where we're going to be covering topics from business to fine arts, to natural sciences to education, and all the applications, AI applications in these fields. And our content is designed to empower you to thrive in an AI-driven future, which is actually it's upon us right now. So please subscribe now to the channel and start your AI journey with us today. My name is Dr. Loy Alzubi. I'm a professor in biomedical engineering, and also I am a director of innovation and artificial intelligence literacy in one of the U.S. academic institutions. Thank you for visiting, and looking forward to stay in touch. Bye.